Shanghai Forests Packaging Group Company Limited is a large-scale printing and packaging enterprise which is dedicated. It has nearly 20 years history and 16 years export experience in professional industry packaging services for customers in various industries. A complete production. Shanghai Forests Packaging Group has a complete production facility and professional professional packaging professional packaging solutions for all customers that choose us. The production solution from researching and development, stitching, designing, making die cut, quality services, simulation with high quality and satisfactory service. Will trust Shanghai will benefit with customers all over the world. If you have any requirements